Alright. Taylor's reaction to different names. Ready? Okay. Brian Belrose. Zach Prescott. Cody Hobbs. Britton Doyle. Oh, Brennan. Ew. Justin.
Oh, he's hot.
What? He looks like a squirrel. Anyway. That Zach
Yeah, Zach
that Zach, Juicy dude.
Oh, he's hot. He's hot. He's hot.
Zach Prescott.
He's hot. He's hot. I love him. He's the love of my life.
Alex Goyette.
Ew.
Zach Prescott.
Zach Prescott. I love Zach Prescott. He's the love of my life. I told you, baby, I'm working. No, stop doing my day. Oh, I thought I clicked on my MySpace. I guess not. Oh my god, I guys want to talk about Zach Prescott because I don't want to talk about him. Stop, Kayla. Stop. Tyler needs therapy. Oh, I'm sorry. I guess my hair's a little messed up. Dude, hey Dusty, did you know how dogs say hi? They go like this. Okay, I'll stop it. Every time I know what I was saying, damn. It's Fred. Oh my god, you guys know Fred on YouTube? Oh my god. It's Fred! It's Fred! Your phone's ringing. I don't know. It's Cody. What do you say? Yeah, that's what I thought. I was just kidding. Word.
This is how I do this. How I do this.
I love Fred. Like, Fred is funny. Like, I have this obsession for him. It's just like no one else can like change that obsession. Oh, crackers! I love him.
The